This problem asks us to find the arc length of a circle with a given radius of 9 centimeters and a central angle of pi/4 radians. Before diving into a nice way to think about this problem, let's start by drawing ourselves a picture. So what the problem is talking about is taking a ray of length 9 centimeters and rotating that ray pi/4 radians. As we rotate the ray, the endpoint sweeps out an arc. And in fact, this little arc here is just a piece of the circumference of a complete circle. And this problem is asking for the length of this little arc. Well, a nice way to tackle this problem is to realize that this arc here is just some portion of the complete circumference. And if we identify what that portion is and use our formula for the circumference of a circle, then we will be able to answer this question. Okay? So let's start by thinking about the circumference of the circle. In other words, what would happen if we took the ray and went around a complete revolution? Or in other words, 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians. Well, we know the circumference of a circle is just 2 pi r. Here we have a radius of 9 centimeters, so our circumference is going to be 2 pi times 9, which is 18 pi centimeters. Okay. So this is the circumference of the complete circle. But notice, instead of rotating 2 pi radians, we only rotated pi/4 radians. So the portion of the circumference that we want, well, we went pi/4 radians. A complete revolution would have been 2 pi radians. Right? So to figure out the portion that I want, I'm just going to take the central angle pi/4 and divide by 2 pi. Right? Dividing by 2 pi/1, so multiplication by the reciprocal. Pi/4 times 1/2 pi is going to be 1/8 after the pi's cancel. Right? Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So this arc that we cared about, this little portion that we want to know, is 1/8 of the total circumference of the circle. So let me leave that total circumference up there. We wanted 1/8 of that circumference, and that is going to be 18/8 pi centimeters, which reduces to 9/4 pi centimeters.